Oh, I think I see it.
Yeah, I don't think you do, but...
No, I see the other one, yeah.
I think it's on the other side of this ridge.
Yeah, because this is a valley right in front of us.
Correct, yeah. Yep.
Okay, I do think I see it.
Okay.
I think it's right. No, maybe not. No, I think that's the other airport, Thunder Ridge.
Yeah.
Jesus, there's like 10 airports here.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm fired from the spot the airport game. Okay, so that's Baxter County up there.
Correct, yep.
And then we got to kind of split the difference, and it should be right off our right.
Well, see, we're going to be coming around this bend right in here.
Oh, we're flying right over a little airport right now.
Yeah, this is the valley.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, gears coming down, fuel pumps on, mixer's rich, pop forward, so we're ready for a go-around if needed. Go ahead and get 1 notch flaps out, 2 notches of flaps out. Want to be looking for those power lines. Okay, I got the lines in sight.
Okay.
Full flaps to go, 3 green. All right, there's the runway. Full flaps. See the threshold?
Yeah, barely. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's tucked in here.
Oh.
Poor cows.
Power's out. Welcome to Gaston's.
Great landing.
Bounced it a little bit.
It's okay. I don't know how the fuck you found this place.
Keith gave me a good briefing.
Thank God, Keith. Keith.
We can thank Keith later.
This is cool.
Yep, sure is. I'm just gonna come spin us around.
I figured.
Cessna 182.